We found some new fidgets at the Dollar General. I love the tubes. Do you love this one?
Yes, Mom. I like that one better
than our smaller ones?
Yeah.
Got a blue and a pink. And now my favorite. A squeeze cheese.
Oh?
A squeeze cheese. Let's get this baby open.
Oh my God. That was Mom. Be careful now.
OMG.
Oh,
it's a big squishy. It's like cloud dough inside. Now it takes to go back to its shape. Oh goodness, squeeze it, squeeze it.
This is like the ball.
Like the Neatos?
Oh yes, but they're really small. Mom, the mouse will like that.
Oh, I just want to bite it.
If you bite it, it's going to pop. And we never get to see it. I thought that was slime.
It does have slime inside. That's why it's so squishy. Do you love it?
Yes, I'm going to hold it.
I'd like to have a pillow made of this. Does it feel soft, like for sleepy?
I think it's... I wish it was real to eat.
To eat?
I saw it was candy, but it looks like candy.
It's a big piece of cheese.
I just want to eat that
it's
so bad.
Squeeze cheese.
Oh my God, I don't want to eat that so bad. I just want to.
It's only $5 at Dollar General.
Come on.
Definitely worth it.
Can I hold it? This looks like a basketball.
Yeah, when it's round. Do you love it?
This makes me snuggle it.
We are a fidget household.
I'm actually letting the sweep on my side tonight. I'm not letting the mouse get it.
You are the mouse.
Squeak, squeak.